Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to activate Aim Assist on Nintendo Switch for Fortnite. If you want smoother aim and better accuracy in Fortnite on Nintendo Switch, here's how you can turn on a max out Aim Assist in just a few seconds. Firstly, open the settings by going to Fortnite's Game Settings menu. Select Controller Options, then this is where all your aiming and sensitivity settings live. Just scroll down and toggle the Advanced option to On to enable advanced options. Now all you have to do is max out Aim Assist Strength. Under Aim Assist Strength, drag the slider all the way up to 100% or max. And that's it, your Aim Assist is now at full strength for maximum precision and control. Drop a like if this video helped you, thank you for watching, and subscribe for more quick gaming tips and controller settings tutorials.